Would you like to come from this shape to that shape? Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and healthily without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? If you're serious about achieving permanent fat loss and complete a health transformation while eating your favorite foods every meal, then welcome to the Custom Keto Diet, a diet meal plan customized to your body, situation, goals, and taste buds. But why keto diet is the very effective diet for fat loss? It significantly increases fat burning. It's simple and easy to follow, hunger cravings will fade, you don't have to do exercise to reap the benefits, it's healthy and safe, you'll lose weight like clockwork. And why only fat loss, but other benefits like better brain functioning, improve your immunity, height, daily activity level, and also protects against many dangerous diseases like cancer, heart attack, diabetes, stroke, and many more. So, if you want to take all the guesswork out of your diet and follow a guaranteed to work plan, then you'll love my brand new Custom Keto Meal Plan service. For the last few years, we've united leading nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs to develop custom keto meal plans that are effective, convenient, cost-effective, and most importantly, enjoyable. We tailor your entire meal plan to your own unique situation, needs, goals, and dietary preferences to ensure you experience optimal progress and follow a diet you enjoy. So, do you want to shed your fat? And do you want eagerly to enhance your health? Then click the button below and get your custom keto diet plan today.